Hello, everyone. It's me, Pastel, and I'm so happy you're here with me today. This time, we are drawing this very sleepy little kitty cat. So let's get started. First, I'm going to open to a fresh new page in my special sketchbook. And I'm using crayons as always. You choose any color you like for your kitty cat. I'm using this nice sort of reddish orange. It's called Scarlet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our kitty cat's ears. So we'll start with two little triangle shapes. You can make them kind of rounded at the top. Then we're going to draw an oval shape from this ear all the way over to this ear. I'm going to draw a big oval shape. Now for the top of our kitty cat's head, let's draw two little curved lines for a little puff of fur. All right, now let's draw our kitty cat's body. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a big oval shape this time. And I'm going to bring it back to meet my kitty cat's head right about here. So from here to here, and I'm going to go up and way around and back right there. So now our kitty cat is curled up so cozy. Let's give him a tail. It's a nice little curved line from the inside of our circle, right on up. Now let's do our kitty cat's face, always the cutest part. For our kitty's eyes, I'm going to do a little U shape and another one, two little curved lines for our kitty's sleepy closed eyes. Then a little triangle for our kitty's nose. Color that in if you like. And then two little curves for our kitty's mouth. Now, let's add a little detail to the inside of our kitty's ears. Let's add a little angled line like that. It follows this inside curve of the ear and then over. And now, last but certainly not least, let's give our kitty cat some whiskers. And there we are. There's our very sleepy kitty. I'm so excited, but I'm trying to be quiet so I don't wake the kitty cat up. Do you feel proud of your drawing? I hope you do because you worked so hard on it. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, remember to take your creativity everywhere.